With prices rising nearly across the board, it's getting harder to pay for basic necessities, causing some Americans to fall behind, reported Consumer News and Business Channel on October 10th. To that point, 32% of adults have paid a bill late in the past 6 months, according to a recent report by LendingTree. And 61% of them said it's because they didn't have the money on hand to cover the cost. About 40% said they're less able to afford their bills compared with 1 year ago. Most said they fell behind on a utility bill, credit card payment, or cable or internet bill. There is no doubt persistent inflation has weighed on consumers, leaving more Americans living from paycheck to paycheck, according to CNBC. Life is getting more expensive by the day and is shrinking Americans' already tiny financial margin for error down to zero, said LendingTree's analysis.